sun on my skin. So this is love. I know it is.
Yeah. So we're taking pictures. It's so pretty. It's so pretty.
Can
I'm
you
actually
like
so excited.
upload these to your computer and then send me? Oh
Yeah?
my god.
I'll send these all to you.
This is so cute. Is this like recording? Oh my god, it is. So I've never like vlogged before. There's like people coming, but look. In Laguna. I've never vlogged before. Sorry Ryan, if you're seeing this, like this is like the most boring footage ever, but yeah. I can't even stop it. How do you stop it?
Wow, look at the view. Oh my gosh.
Alright guys.
This view right here. So cute.
We like hopped over this fence.
Wait,
and like, I'm probably
And I met you in the summer.
yeah.
To my heartbeat sound, we fell in love as the leaves turn brown. And we could be together,
No.
baby.
I'm gonna
Long as
fall.
skies are
What's
blue.
up? It's like just sitting there.
You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer.
Okay, we're looking for a new picture spot.
We found one in the distance.
Yeah.
It takes like a half hour to get there.
Yeah, it's fine. We'll just walk for hours.
Wait, let's go down.
Ooh, this is cute. Marry me? I just realized I didn't know what you guys were talking about. That's so cute. Oh, there's flowers. It's like little flowers and it says marry me. That's so cute.
They tease me now.
My future husband, take notes.
Your husband, if you're watching this.
Take notes, because, you know. Yeah.
Top it. You better top it. You do it.
She's fine, guys.
No, I'm not. No, I'm kidding.
Now, why does everyone have a boyfriend but me?
Same. Hashtag single.
I wish.
Faux life.
Yeah, no,
just
Megan,
kidding. Oh
you're
my
not a
God.
part of this.
Yes, I am.
You are not.
Wait, can you upload this to YouTube so I can find my mystery?
Yeah, hi.
Guys, I'm taking a boyfriend.
This is Morgan. She's 16 years old, 5'4". She golfs.
Okay, no, don't say that's a turn off.
I mean, edit that out. Yeah, doesn't do anything. She's athletic.
Yeah, look at these guns.
Too. Boyfriend application.
Guys, she just cheer.
I'm a cheerleader. That's kind of a turn off for most people though.
No, it isn't. Guys,
People hate cheerleaders. No.
me now.
This is Megan. Hi. No, I'm not. If you're watching this,
no.
click off right now. Hi, I'm Megan. I play water polo. Don't give me caffeine. I love coffee. Give me monsters and you'll make me happy. I am 5'2" and I'm pretty cool. Yeah, she's adorable. So is Morgan. We love them. Thanks. Yeah, she's
Megan.
the cutest person ever.
I wouldn't do that on the bench.
Yeah, please don't.
Look at this, look at this, look at this. Wait, turn it up because you can go, oh shit.
Guys, I don't get the joke. Where'd my jacket go? No, I mean disposable.
I don't think there's gonna be any other spots besides the shop.
Where did I? Guys, where's my jacket? I have no idea. Anyways, that's fine.
Megan, did you see Ryan's jacket?
She had a jacket?
Oh, the white one.
Yeah.
Ryan, you might have lost your jacket.
It's fine. We'll look for
your favorite.
No, we'll look for it on the way back. I'm so smart, guys. It's kind of getting cold and I lost my jacket. So that's okay, but I don't know where I left it. Like, that's actually so funny. But it's really cute. We're probably gonna go to Earth and get some food and then come back later and take pictures on the beach or sunset. So, yeah. Okay, guys, we are heading over to Earth Cafe now. Ooh. Stop! I love this
time
vlog.
we get famous for their like avocado toast.
Yeah.
I might think that actually kind of sounds good.
Does sound good.
It's so cute. I'm really excited. I don't care, Megan. What else do they have though? Like salads?
Like everything. Anyways, we're heading over to Earth. So cute. So excited. Buffet it up. Is it so zoomed in?
We should get friends. What are you doing?
I'm trying to zoom out, but it takes forever. I fixed it.
Yay!
Yay! Isn't it cute? It's so cold.
I'm like warm when I'm in my sweater.
Hashtag Carolee.
Do you want to wear mine like under your sleeve? Are you sure?
You want to see me jerk, camera?
Okay, yeah, wait, hold on. You're a jerk. I know. You're a jerk. Okay, we're crossing the street.
I wish I could find.
Run. Ryan, it's a red light. Why are we going? See, I literally can't vlog and do this. It's so bad.
We just crashed illegally.
Oh, they're mad at me. That's my bad. I love vlogging, but like I feel awkward. So excited.
3 hours later.
That's a really long run.
How long is it going to take to get here?
I'm hoping soon. So we just ordered wings for our food. I got a lemonade and it's really good. But yeah, otherwise we're just chilling. The line took really long, but that's okay. Just finished up at Earth Cafe.
The food actually came out within like 5 minutes.
Yeah,
Oh, wait,
it was like we waited like an hour in line.
Can you stop
I got bread.
Yeah.
We're gonna go.
It looks so, guys. It
Oh
looks
my god. We're gonna go take pictures on the beach and by the shack, and then probably get gelato. This is so pretty. We just took the cutest photos at the beach. And look at how pretty it's getting. Wow, look at that view. Right there, that view. What view? You mean this? Yeah, no.
I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it. I don't care.
Now? Okay, wait. My shoes got wet.
Okay.
Megan,
Yeah?
can you take pictures of me and Ryan?
Yeah.
We could go over there.
Wow, that's so cute.
Megan,
Yeah?
would you want to go over there?
Just look at the sky right now. Over there.
Guys, this is so cute!
Megan, should we go over there?
Cringe. Look at the sky over
Megan, should we
there.
go over there?
Yeah, that's perfect.
This is such a good day. We need to come out like all the time.
All of those ugly clouds turned into this massive.
Right?
I wish somebody would have told me, babe. Someday these will be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. Someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of these
Megan,
good
apparently she's
old
a hot guy.
I was thinking about the band.
Okay,
I
Megan.
was thinking about the fans. We were underground.
The girl in the blue
loading
jacket
merch in
with
that
the girls,
12-passenger van. In a
With the
small
freaking
club
girl.
in Minnesota.
Oh my
And
god.
the snow
Oh
outside
my
of First
god.
Ave. I just wanted my name and a star. Now look at where we at, still growing up. Still growing up. I would lay in my bed and dream about what I've become. Couldn't wait to get older. Couldn't wait to be some. Now that I'm here, wishing I was still young.